In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your FreshBooks account. Whether you're switching to a different service or simply no longer need it, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step so you can smoothly close your account. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the FreshBooks website. So open up your preferred web browser and head over to the FreshBooks login page. You can quickly find this page by searching FreshBooks login in Google or by typing myfreshbooks.com directly into the address bar. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can proceed to the next step. Once you're on the site, look for the login button and click on it. You must be logged into your account to access the settings for account cancellation. Enter your login credentials, which will be your email and password associated with your FreshBooks account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. Now, from the dashboard page, the next step is to access your account settings, which house all the necessary options for managing your subscription. Find and click on your account name or the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu should appear. From here, select the option labeled Billing and Upgrade. This is where you'll manage your active plans and billing details. Within the Billing and Upgrade section, look for the option to cancel the account, which will be labeled Cancel Your Account. Clicking on this option will initiate the account cancellation process. FreshBooks will then guide you through a series of prompts to confirm your decision to cancel. After clicking on the Cancel option, you'll see a confirmation button, which generally says Continue on canceling. Click on that to proceed with the final steps of closing your account. While completing these steps, it's important to keep in mind any pending invoices or unfinished business associated with your account. Make sure everything is clear before you proceed with cancellation, as once you cancel, you might lose access to your data. Also, remember to review any terms or conditions about account cancellation to prevent any unexpected charges or data loss. That's it. You've now successfully deleted your FreshBooks account. It's always a good idea to double check through a follow-up email confirmation from FreshBooks to ensure that your request has been processed completely. If you have any doubts or encounter issues during this process, don't hesitate to contact FreshBooks customer support for additional guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you to close your FreshBooks account smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.